He lectures, he has us go through the meditations, he works with us, he explains things over and over again so it really sinks in, and I just felt all these connections in my mind. And when it came to the day that we were going to do our first healing on someone, I had flashed back to my childhood, and I remembered that when I was little I used to play with the energy with my hands, like a little game to see how big I could make it. And I remembered I used to look at the Christmas tree and get this open focus. And these were some of the things that Dr. Joe was teaching us how to do to raise our electromagnetic field, to raise our energy. And so when we got to the coherence meditation, it was incredible. We were standing, listening, and I opened my eyes, and it just seemed like the world was electric, and I could see these patterns that I couldn't see before. And then I just started walking with this open focus, and I tried to keep that connection. And so when we got back into the room had so much energy, and I could just feel this openness in my heart. And we were sitting there, and I could just feel the energy moving all around me, and the energy lifted my arms. I wasn't lifting my arms, it was. And I could see this light above me streaming into me, and I just knew that it was Source. And I felt this tremendous love, and it felt like a tornado, that was a tornado of light that was coming through me. And I held up my arms to the person, and I just felt like I was a conduit healing this person. And I had so much gratitude and so much love that I could heal a person. And so when I think of this week, I think, there's no way I would have known that. No way I would have been able to recognize that healing that I have within me, and that is within everyone. And it's such a gift, I think, that we can give to others. And I was so grateful to have that experience, that I could help someone on such a deep level. And so when I think of how Dr. Joe's work has changed me, I realize just how connected we are, and how we at a very deep level can help and serve others and humanity.